If you are gutom and you crave some Korean foods, well, this place is for you. Representing the Somac Korean Buffet. Somac Korean Buffet is located at Sky Park, SM Seaside. Here's everyone! So in today's video, I will share it with you those dishes inside this resto. So obviously, this is a food tour vlog. And by the way, this is Yan and welcome back again to my channel. Welcome to Somac Korean Buffet. Somac Korean Buffet is the newest buffet inside the SM Seaside. So now, let's check inside. So, you can't say that this buffet is affordable, but you know, sometimes you need to treat yourself those mga lamian nga foods. The resto is clean, staffs and the owner were so nice and very accommodating. Ganahan ko sa point nga pwedeng nga naidala nga dog, but of course, dapat responsable sad ka. Almost ang foods kay taste good, unlimited samyop na adire. Eat until magsawa ka. I don't think nga naabot ni siya og 100 choices, but as you can see, daghan jud pod kapilian. Dili lang jud sila same sa other buffet like Vikings nga ang display kay overload. But the main purpose of this vlog is ipakita lang nako jud ang mga foods nga ilahang gina-serve diri. So enjoy watching until gutumon ka. And as you can see, Somac restaurant staff members are friendly and attentive, providing excellent service that enhance the overall dining experience. Look at that! They gave you more happiness during sa imuhang dining. And actually, pwede ka musabay nila since ilang music is trends nowadays. I must say it was an exceptional experience from start to finish. The restaurant's ambience was warm and inviting and creating the perfect atmosphere for a memorable dining. So that's all for this vlog.